Let me guess, you have actually posted consistently on your channel, but you're not getting any views. It's not as if your video is bad or is not interesting, but still nothing is happening, no views at all, there's no momentum, there's no real growth. It's just as if you are stuck completely in one place, and then you are wondering what is going on. Like, you might not even be happy watching this video right now. You are filled of thoughts, and you are thinking to yourself if YouTube is actually worth it or not. Yes, YouTube is worth it, and I'm going to prove that to you in this video, guys. All of these things you are saying is actually familiar. The truth is that I'm still working on my channel, but I'll be sharing all of the things I've experienced along the line that it might actually be of help to you. So if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Joy, and on this channel I share tips about YouTube growth and how to monetize and edit your videos and all of that. So feel free to join the family by subscribing and like this video. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments, okay? Now let's talk about this frustrating stage. Okay, now good videos are not the same as growing videos. A video can be good, right, and still not grow a channel. It's as funny as that. YouTube is funny. You know, when you have good videos, edited videos, good visuals and everything, and the video is interesting and all of that, all that actually matters. But you see, real growth, it comes from relevance. That is where real growth comes from on YouTube. How relevant is this video you're talking about? Now, if your video doesn't clearly answer a specific question that somebody is already searching for, YouTube doesn't really have any strong reason to push that video. Even though that video is properly edited and presentable, like that's all of the good stuff, YouTube might not push it the way it ought to. Do you know why? Because it's not answering somebody's question or what somebody's already searching for. It's not satisfying somebody. Now, the second point is you're probably too close to your content. I know this one is funny, but this is actually personal and it's true. It's happening to almost every small creators out there, and it's really helpful we talk about it, right? Now, this is something you should take into consideration. As creators, we actually judge our videos by our efforts that we put into creating those videos. Now, viewers doesn't judge like that. They judge by the usefulness of that video. So because you put so much effort on that video and it's not going well, you now have reason to think that maybe YouTube is ignoring you. But that's not how it is. Viewers don't know how long it took you to edit, and to be honest, they don't really care. They just care about their own needs, their own wants. Does this video help me right now? That's all they are thinking and asking themselves. So if the answer is not in your video, or it's not in the title of your video, it's not in the thumbnail, it's not even in the description, it's not even in the first 1 second to 30 seconds of your video, they are going to click out. They will zoom off. They will not watch that video. So this is basically how it works. They don't really care about the work you put into it. They just care about if you can actually help them at that present moment. And if it does, trust me, you have actually retained a successful viewer and a subscriber to yourself. Now, the third thing is, this is the real reason why small channels don't really grow. Most small channels are actually unfocused. It's the real reason. Like, they have so many videos on their channel. They post different things. They post random videos, just different videos on the same channel. Guys, it doesn't work like that. YouTube is not like every other social media platform. It can work elsewhere, but on YouTube, we niche down. Algorithm likes niche on YouTube. YouTube is about niche. That's why you see that some channels, whatever they post about, they just do it continuously. You see my channel, I think I talk about YouTube growth, YouTube, and editing, and that's what I do here. On YouTube, we don't mix business with pleasure. Let me use that word. We mix pleasure with pleasure and business with business. You should be in the same, as in one direction. Other platform actually you can actually skate through. But on YouTube, please pick a clear niche and do it continuously. Now, the next thing for you to know is that it is not actually the algorithm that is ignoring you. It is the signal that is coming from your channel. A lot of creators actually have low growth, low views, everything low. You might say, yes, the algorithm is partially to be blamed because it's actually responsible for pushing out your content. Yes, but the truth is that YouTube only reacts to signals. Do people actually click on your videos? Do people stay to watch? Do they watch long enough to feel satisfied to the point that they subscribe, they like it, and they click to share to somebody else? If they can do all of these things, YouTube is actually watching you quietly. YouTube doesn't punish you. All of these things from the subscribers is what YouTube needs to push your channel. So if the data it collects from your video is not enough, it moves on to the next creator that has enough data at that present time. So what do you do as a small creator? Make sure you give data that can actually solve problems, that can actually answer somebody's needs or question. Do you understand? Or somebody's demand. So that YouTube will add it to those creators that they are using to solve people's problems or answer people's questions. It's as simple as that. This is the math, guys. Now, the next thing for you to take note of is what to fix first. If your channel is not growing, just start here. Okay, one, make your video about a clear problem. If you have not heard anything I've said in this video since, please listen very carefully. Make your video about a clear problem. Teach people how to, maybe how to barb hair, how to fly a jet, how to ride a car, how to cook, how to grow their channel, how to create videos with AI, how to build softwares, how to do website design. Just heading anything at all. Teach people. Do you understand? Teach people something. After picking the particular niche you want to do, make sure you make videos about that continuously. If you're choosing how to, maybe how to play football, just keep showing people like that. If it's gym, you want to be teaching them how to exercise, make sure you're doing videos about that. Don't post about football, post about gym, post about music. No. Do you understand? So that YouTube will know that this is the category that you are making videos for, and they will push your videos to people that enjoy those kind of categories. And when the subscribers come across it, they will say, oh, this is my kind of content, and they will click on it. Do you understand? Now, the next thing for you to do is to look at the audience retention. What is your audience graph saying? Check your YouTube dashboard. What is it saying? Is it going down or is it going up? Which one? Is it going down or is it going up? Which one is it doing at that point? You should be able to read it and see where it is actually going up and where it is dropping, so you know where it was going up and why it's dropping, and use it to fix your next upload. Do you understand? Now, the next thing you should do is answer people's questions. Be a creator that answers questions. Be a creator that actually answers people's questions from your content. Okay. Now, let me know what kind of content you are creating in the comments, and I'll go through your channel and give you tips on how to improve. Okay. Now, the next point is create videos that are searchable. You see, questions or videos that have search intent, they might grow very slow, but the more people search for it, the more YouTube shows it to people. Those are called evergreen content. The growth will just keep coming. The views keep coming. They are called evergreen content. And those kind of content lingers on for a very, very long time, guys. So yeah, it was at this point I realized that my microphone went off and my video stopped recording. So yeah, I did a voiceover for this place. All I'm saying is create content that people can easily come across, not a content that only you will enjoy. Create content for the sake of people, so that when people see it, they will watch and they will engage, and you'll be getting more views, more subscribers, and more watch time. If you can do all of these things I've been saying in this video since, trust me, there will be a change in your channel. Even if it doesn't happen once, over time it will be happening slowly, and the more you gather those momentum, the more your page gets noticed, and before you know it, you'll be getting all the views and all of the subscribers. I know of a lot of channels that were getting 30 views as at last year or 6 months ago, 20 views, 100 views. Now they are getting 10,000 views, 20,000 views and above. So guys, don't get discouraged. Just keep doing all of these things and your channel will be growing. This is what I've been using to grow my channel, and it's already going well, and I know yours will also go well. Okay.